what it should be. Yeah, we're taking a break in the mood. To vibes out with that young free now. It's Hollywood.
What the time? What the time? That is it. Shadow man. What the time? What the time? Shadow.
But it's that kind of vibe this morning. It's the new hottest thing. What's the time? Hollywood. Hollywood.
Uncle Chad, talk to you, boy. Talk to you, boy.
What's going on with you this morning?
I there, man.
Welcome to the mood in the morning. This is Sunrise. Sit down.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, man. We checking the plays, man. She up to she almost 1 million views, hour. Yeah, because it's going on like that. So what's going on with you, young soldier? I know this is the time. You understand? It's the carnival season.
Yeah, man.
It's the carnival season. You do that hot record and I just look up in the back there, see the producer coming in. So he coming in here tired late, but we gonna work with him still. So what's going on with you? Tell Sunshine City who you are, what's this about, and how you decided.
St.Maarten, if you don't know me already, my name is Hollywood, BRG Hollywood, better known as Janelle and Abdul's spoiled child.
I like that.
This is my first Bouillon song. I just started making Bouillon music because this is what the people want, and we tired of listening to Dominica, so St.Maarten, we have your own thing now, SXM Nasty Business.
XXM Nasty Business, so that's what's going on. Yeah, so how you come about, let the people let them know exactly how did this come up? How did you get it on to where it's supposed to be?
Well, first it started by this thing we just go to on the friend side called Salop Sundays. Every Sunday we just go there, have a little free up, we just freestyling thing. Mm-hmm. And then, I started going by Zav and I was like, boy, I gotta make a tune, because this is what the people want,
Right.
I was in the studio late at night. I check my phone and pick up my phone. My phone said 12:35. Zav had a nasty rhythm playing, so I started saying, after 12:30, we can get dirty. Zav checking, yo, record that.
Yeah, pull out the phone, because we have a thing when something good, we pull out the phone, voice note it. When we're ready for it, we go back. You know how the thing said, Shadow.
And the next day,
good morning to Zav Beats in here. You understand? No, well, when I first heard the rhythm, actually, your mom sent it to me. She was like, yo, vibe this song here. I was like, let me check it out, see what's going on. And the energy on it was top-notch energy. That's why I appreciated most of all. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
The mix was clean, and then...
Respect Zav. Anywhere you want to record, you have to check Zav. That's the only man in St.Maarten will make sure your music sounding right and your vocals not sounding light.
Big up, Ali.
Right, so once I heard that, I was like, all right, so who's this young cat? And when Jay sent me the music, which she's always listening, your mom's always listening to the program, and it's usually be a vibe in the morning. So
yep. My mother too, trust me, man. You always in my house playing every morning.
When I get the rhythm, I actually didn't know it was you. You understand? And then when Janelle said, that's my son, I was like, what? But you're sounding like them.
Yeah.
You understand?
Shadow, trust me, he got tracks,
Yeah, but then
he got tracks,
It's only the beginning. It's just
the beginning, People think it's only time to grind,
You see, but this is usually
the whole wave we coming with,
This is my thing, and I've been asking, and we always discuss this, Zafon, where if you got a music, loose it.
Yeah.
I hit till the whole world hear it.
Exactly.
So if you're sitting down, especially now, you understand? So I got asked, since nobody asked, since you got more tracks, when the rest of them dropping, when I could get them.
Shadow man, I have something coming April 28th on the Dirty Dogs boat ride. I will be releasing my next song. But, Shadow man is my uncle, I have to give her a little preview.
Well,
she says she like Holly, but she afraid to take the wood. Ooh. She says she like Holly, but she afraid to take the wood.
Come in, don't worry. We got them coming. We got them stacking. Don't worry. Come in.
Speed.
Yeah,
full speed.
But on a music tip though, once, especially around the season, I've been asking continuously. We cannot have carnivals in the next few weeks.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? And music have to drop. Correct. Like it's rain.
Yeah,
you can't hold on to it.
We dropping music like it's Gucci Mane,
Just like that.
Music every whole year.
We gotta leave from here.
Yeah. We gotta set up the thing proper, Uncle. You don't know how the thing to set, man.
Yeah, but it's not, for me, it's not.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
I know.
It's a preparatory system the way the music is.
Yeah.
When we have carnival, because I've been asking, you know, in the sense where, all right, look, it's carnival coming around. This is one hot track. You understand? But we need 4 or 5 hot tracks.
Yeah, man, shout out.
Because
we're coming in, we're coming in.
Yeah, no. I do understand. I hear that, and I know it's going to drop. You understand? But for future references, you understand? Prior to carnival, you understand? So the music can build. Because now this building at a pace within how much weeks of release?
Yeah.
By a week, Shadow Man. A week.
A week. You understand? So just imagine if this was dropped 6 weeks ago. You understand? What the listenership would be like with 2-3 tracks for the follow-up. So I am looking for the follow-up, but like I say, after 12:30, everything
get
can
on.
get
12:30
somewhere.
I have to big up my DJ Sexo one time, you know already, big up Sexo.
So how long, I know, seeing you around, I know I've been doing this for a while, so how long, Hollywood, you've been interested in actually
Talk to them,
getting music?
Yeah, talk to them, Holly.
For those who know, I used to rap, but I never released a song because there's no real rap market in St.Maarten, so I just keep them to myself. For the bros who ever want to listen to it, if you ask them, they tell you how serious them tracks is.
Yes, sir.
But you know, recently I like, you know what, bouillon is what St.Maarten people want, so I have to give them St.Maarten bouillon. So you could say really since last year I wanted to make a bouillon song, but I make the song last week, you know. Last week I make the song, last week the song dropped, and all this happening so crazy, you know, I still getting used to it, you know what I mean?
Well, that's the way the industry is run.
Yeah.
Once the music right, everybody
Trust me, when he had come in the studio and he get the first 2 lines, what's the time? Time to grind. Once he get a shadow, but he was done ready to record, you know. He was done ready to record, so I just open up Pro Tools, put in the rhythm, and that was time to grind there, you know. That's how that really happened, you know.
All right. Well, I love the rhythm from Jump. I even called you on it. I was like,
Yeah.
this rhythm hot.
Yeah, but you know what making the rhythm even better? My boy Zav on the keys, you know. The normal rhythm ain't like that. When you listen good in your head,
The
Zav
normal
on the
rhythm
keys.
is not from me. I didn't make the rhythm. The rhythm is from Jackie Beats. Big up yourself, Jackie.
Right.
You check? But Hollywood checking.
But the rest of the keys,
he's
the
checking
instrumentation.
By, missing something.
Zav
The
on the
instrumentation.
keys. Respect my
Missing
keyboardist.
something. So I just add a little flavor with the keys, and that was it.
Right.
Man.
Well, that's what's kicking right now. So what we're gonna do is, you got a rhythm playing in the back.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is I want you to release this song because my listeners are global. I talk in Miami, New York, Florida, up to very Accra, Ghana listening right now. So Hollywood, what we're gonna do is make it feel like it's the first time they're listening to it. Drop this track for me.
Yo, welcome to Tropixx 105 with Uncle Chad. This track is brand new. What's the time? Check your phone now. What's the time? It's 12:30 somewhere. Whoa! Shadow Man, Tropixx 105. This is time to grind. All platforms. This one is brand new.
Hollywood!
Listen good, brand new. They love to hate, but we love to make. All they doing is hating, all we doing is making. All they doing is hating, all we doing is making. All they doing is hating, all we doing is making. All they doing is hating, all we doing is making. It's time to grind. That is it. It's time to grind, baby. That is it. No time to whine, baby. Only have time to grind, baby. Time to grind, baby. Boy, the more they making, boy, the more they hating. Boy, the more we making, boy, the more they hating. Boy, the more we making, boy, the more they hating. All we want to make is money, they just want to watch us funny. Time to grind. Time to grind, baby. Time to grind, baby. That is it. No time to whine, baby. Tropixx, what's the time? Time to grind. Tropixx, time to grind. 105, time to grind. Time to grind.
Yeah, Hollywood, time to grind. What time is it? Yo, I must tell you, we got Miss Anatol say big up my boy BRG on this bad track. Of course, you got Miss LaBega to send a message here, say wicked track. You got Miss Aaron there saying pull up. Yeah, man, they're loving this vibe. So what all I know for sure, let the people them know what all you gonna be doing for the carnival season, Hollywood. You understand what shows you're going to be on?
Yeah, man, Carnival is going to be a movie. I can't really disclose too much yet, but the one thing I can tell you, May 4th, we will be on the stage for Bacchanal Sunday. I will be bringing 500 people on the stage with me. Everybody that's been supporting me will be on the stage with me.
Bring out your clocks.
Skeleton, if I can't come with 500 people, I'm not performing.
Hey, Sean Kid, you hear that?
Yes, you could search everybody. We're not coming with no weapons. We're just coming to have fun. I come in on the stage with 500 people.
It's going to be a movie.
Which I tried to figure out which Savannah stage are you planning to use? That stage is so big and talking.
Don't worry, we'll make it work. We'll make it work by force.
Make it work.
By force, we're making it work.
500 people on stage. You all hear it here. These men them plan to make a movie.
A movie going down.
So, yes, so for sure it's Bacchanal Sunday.
Yes, Bacchanal Sunday for sure.
I was looking through my phone and I realized this song has been, it's like an insane thing that's going on. You know, from a track hot, it'll pick up speed and it just keep growing and growing and growing. You understand? I've seen you performing at, where you were performing this weekend, gone there. EXO, seen the videos, so it's a vibe. It's a vibe. So Hollywood, I definitely gotta say thank you. Anything else you gotta say before you pack up and get Zav? Your producer. Let's start with the producer. Zav, what you got going on?
Respect Zav. Zav, talk to them.
I got a lot going on actually right now. You know, working right now with a lot of Dominican artists and things, especially my boy Slime Hoist from Dominica. We have been these days we have been doing a lot of work together. We trying to put a little EP together and stuff like that. So I have to big him up one time, saying maybe because he showed me a lot of love to send me out to Dominica, you know what I mean? Putting me on a different platform to what he on right now, you understand? I respect that as a musician, you understand? But Hollywood, it's time to grind, you know.
Time to grind. And don't forget,
Hollywood got me in grind mode now in the studio because I got so much work. It's like time to grind.
Well,
I gotta remember to time to grind.
Well, what's amazing for me is that the way, I mean, you took his instruments and his music.
Yeah.
You understand? And Bouillon is the new craze
right now.
Welcome to SXM Nasty Business.
Yeah.
Right. So that's well, I have to say, I like the fact though that I always say this. One thing I personally say when it comes to music, what kids gravitate to, the lyrical content is very important.
Exactly.
You understand? I personally we was having that conversation where I don't think profanity has a place in that. You understand? But
in this time, no, yeah.
But in this time and in this era, what the young adults are gravitating to is that. Yeah. So that I do appreciate, you know, and I like the fact that it is not just, at least I can play it. That's the most important thing to me.
Yeah.
You understand? When I hear a good rhythm, I should be able to play it. When I hear good music, I should be able to play it.
Correct.
So I do appreciate that I was able to get the unedited version. I get the unedited and the edited version. So I can play the edited version on the radio. And that's what I like, because sometimes you have a song that you really want to play, but because of the lyrical content, it's not radio ready.
Correct.
So I do appreciate that, you know, and I say thank you for letting radio ready music come out there as well.
For sure.
You understand?
Because you can't forget to say is radio giving it a little push at the end. Some people understand, you know, they don't understand how much of a help the radio could be sometimes to, you know.
Yeah, because I mean, hey, I just always say, a hit until the whole world hear it.
Yeah.
And if we don't have it to play, we can't play.
And the fact that it wasn't too much of a nasty business song, take away from the song.
It didn't take away from it. I like
that
the
has
fact.
been my thing. That has been my thing. If you
I
could
like
clean
the
them
fact,
songs,
if you could clean them
away a little bit of
the essence of the music.
Yeah, but this was written.
Yeah. This was written properly.
Yes.
In the aspects of.
Yes, correct. Hollywood got his lyrics on point, you know.
Yeah.
Got his lyrics on point. I gotta listen. Don't just go off a rhythm and thing, you know. Listen to lyrics too, cause
this is what I just received. You gotta let the people them know, man. You just said it to me.
This Saturday I will be performing first time officially at Nowhere Special for something special. You know what I'm saying? Me, BRG Hollywood with my DJ C4 and Tropixx on the keys. Kembe will be there and Sibo will be there as well. This Saturday Nowhere Special for something special. Make sure you're there.
Say you heard.
What's the time?
What's the time? What's the time?
Don't
what
come
time
before
is it?
12:30.
Don't come before 12:30. This is the pre-carnival party. BRG Hollywood is in the building.
Outside.
He outside. Yeah, they outside. They outside that gate.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Hollywood, I definitely appreciate you for coming through. Thank you so much for gracing the mood in the morning, along with Zav, your mom. Anything else you got to say before you go, young brother?
Yeah, man, I just gotta big up Uncle Chads one time for supporting the thing, you know.
Bless it.
Support is free. One hand can't clap alone.
I believe it or not. Believe it or not. Right, so that's it. Well, tell them the way you're going to be though before you leave. You already say you're going to be on the 29th, that's this Saturday, down at it is?
Nowhere special.
This
Something
weekend,
special.
Yeah, this weekend we are nowhere special. So make sure you come out, enjoy yourself, and we're going to have a good time, man. It's time to grind.
And of course, Bacchanal Sunday.
Yeah, Bacchanal
500
Sunday.
people on stage.
500, no exaggeration.
Listen, we coming to make a crazy
no exaggeration.
movie.
500.
And everybody walking with the clocks.
Everybody walk without your clocks.
I gotta go look for
Even if I don't walk without your clocks, we got something to remind you. It's 12:30.
I gotta look for a clock now, like what time is it?
You know, like what he call, like what the dude with the clock.
Trying to remember.
Slick Rick? No, not
Slick Rick.
Flavor Flav, yeah, Flavor Flav,
yeah. I tried to get a Flavor Flav.
Yeah, I want to see how you coming to like Flavor Flav on the 26th.
Yeah,
for real.
Clocks alone.
Yeah.
Well, BRG Hollywood is definitely a pleasure. I mean, keep on doing what you're doing. We appreciate good music. We appreciate the love. Us here at The Mood in the Morning will definitely be letting this ring out. You understand? And anything that you have new, send it on so we can drop it.
No problem.
You understand? I hit until the whole world hear it, and if you holding on to it and at home playing, we don't know. You understand? So, what's the time is 1. Let we get the rest
time
of
for
it.
speed.
Here's what we're talking about. Gentlemen, appreciate you once again, man. Give them that live one more time, so they could know.
Tropixx 105. What's the time? Check your phone. It's 12:30 somewhere in the world. Oh! What's the time? What's the time? What's the time? Respect Shadow Man, you know already. What is it? What's the time? After 12:30, we can get dirty. After 12:30, we can get dirty. After 12:30, we can get dirty. After 12:30, it's time to grind. It's time to grind, baby. That is it. No time to whine, baby. Only have time to grind, baby. Time to grind, baby. You so fine, baby. But I still cannot dine, baby. No, baby. You so fine, baby. But I still cannot dine, baby. Time to grind.
Whoa. Well, you heard it here. He dropped it here. It's The Mood in the Morning. It's Hollywood. What's the time?
What's the time?
Thank you so much for coming through, my brother, and I wish you much success for this upcoming carnival season. You start off on fire. Keep that fire blazing. And anything you got, like I said, bring it to The Mood in the Morning, where we could do that sunrise, sit down, and drop the time. Sunshine City, you heard it here. It's Hollywood.
What's the time?
It's time to